Hello, my name is Chris Minogue. I'm the Internet Manager here for Acura of Limerick. Today we're going to be talking about the 2019 Acura RDX all-wheel drive technology. The package comes with either front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. The first thing you'll notice with the new redesign is the Acura's Diamond Pentagon front grille with the 7-tier dual-eye LED headlights. You also notice that the front of the car has the parking sensors. It also has the rear parking sensors as well. The vehicle does come with 19-inch alloy wheels. You have your turn signals are built into the mirrors, and the mirrors are collapsible in both ways, just in case somebody wants to knock into your mirror. You do have the chrome moldings on the doors. Coming into the passenger seat, you'll notice that the vehicle does have this beautiful leather with the stitching. You have the multi-way power passenger seat with lumbar support. Both the driver and passenger have the blind spot monitoring system, which if the vehicle's in your blind spot, it'll illuminate for you. It is powered by the ELS premium sound system, so you have great speaker quality inside the car. The vehicle also has 2 USB charge ports as well as air conditioning vents in the second row. Coming around here, you will notice the backup sensors. The vehicle also does come with a backup camera. You have your wide angle, your normal angle, and your directly to the ground. And then the one-touch power liftgate. Once the liftgate opens up, it does have a feature where it has memory settings where you can adjust the height of this. Coming into the back, you have the beautiful carpeted floor mats as well as your storage compartments. This right opens up. You have beautiful storage compartments where you can store tons of great items as well as groceries so they don't slide around. The vehicle also does come with a spare tire, which is located underneath here, so you don't sacrifice storage in the back. The vehicle has quick release for the seats. You just lift this little lever, and the seats will fold down nice and easy for you. Coming over here, you have your one-touch gas release. All you do, as long as the door is unlocked, you just press that, and it'll unlock and open up for you. The doors all have keyless entry system. All you do is, no matter what door, as long as you have the key with you, is put your hand inside the door, it'll unlock the door for you. You press this little right here and it'll lock the doors for you. The RDX does get 21 in the city and 27 on the highway. Let's take a look at where you're going to spend the most of your time, which is the driver's seat. Inside the driver's seat, you got your dual memory seats right here. You have all of your power windows and locks, your power liftgate button. Over here, you have a bunch of technology. The first thing is going to be your road departure mitigation button, your parking sensors, turn them on or off, your collision mitigation braking system, your traction control, your brake hold, and then your electronic parking brake. The vehicle also comes with automatic headlights and automatic high beams. You don't have to worry about turning your high beams on or off. The steering wheel is going to be where you're going to be spending the majority of your time playing with the vehicle. So you have your radio volume controls. You also have your preset controls. You have the talk button, which you just press this button and you can do programs like navigation, radio changes. It's all simple and easy just by the touch of the button. The vehicle also does have apps where you can change what displays in this little information screen right here, like the AM, the FM radio. As you're making the changes with the radio, it'll tell you what station is being played. When the navigation is up, you will be able to see the next turn inside here as well. When the vehicle is on the road, it will also have the speed limit posted for the road that you're on inside there as well. You also have your lane keep assist and your adaptive cruise control, as well as the information screen right here. The vehicle also is equipped with paddle shifters. The vehicle has 2 heated seats. They're both with the auto feature as well as 3-tiered level for hotness. You have your dual climate controls. This right here is idle start stop. And the vehicle is equipped with dynamic mode. Dynamic mode is going to give you snow, comfort, sport, and sport plus. This is how you're going to shift the car into gear. Underneath here, you have some USB and power charge outlets. This right here is the true touchpad interface, which you'll be controlling the radio system just by moving around like a simple cell phone. You also have Apple CarPlay, as well as the beautiful panoramic Vista roof, which is new for 2019 as well. Guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.